So we have to buy Ranchy right now. That Mr. Ranchy over there. Hi! Get out the bed! No, he's ugly. Oh. Tell me my name! Tell me my name! Tell me my name! Scream! No, that's Ranchy, okay, guys? Ranchy. I'm missing her tooth. My man broke. He broke his arm. He's not fancy. He's not screaming.
I know what you're doing. You're doing long arms. Either you're using mods or you're putting tips in your controllers. Not that hard.
What? I'm trying to comfort.
Probably, or just sword in this.
How do you get long arms?
I'm holding the tip of my controllers.
What the heck? Why is it so big?
I'm twisting my arm, guys. I'm twisting my arm. Yeah, this is as far as my arms can go. I'm twisting my arm. I'm twisting my arm. What? My arms all twisted. One of my friends from Mr. Twisted arms. Yeah. I did it. Don't. Oh, you hit me.
Bro, I just.
Sorry, that's a lie.
Hello,
I just
Ryan.
want a real ghost to join, bro.
Hello, Ryan.
But
I'm joining code bot.
my man budget was $2, so he gets so. Okay. But my man's only pretending to be Ranchy.
Hello, Jack.
You don't even know. He mad because the other person pretending to be like a ghost, and then I start saying he's Ranchy.
Guys. Hey, I'm with my friend Jordan.
Banshee?
Act like a Banshee.
What happened? And how many times? Banshee's fake.
And you're like, you have a
There's no way she's real. This Banshee is fake. Where's Banshee? This Banshee ain't even the... She's not in the treehouse.
Yeah.
She's not even in the treehouse. She's in the city? Yeah,
Oh, James.
yeah.
Well,
Has anybody seen, where's Goofy Goober at? Are they your elbows or your arms? Where's the Goober at? Now here's at my skill, like, I'm at the edge of my skill right now.
oh my gosh, guys, this is Banshee.
And how do you spell
No Banshee, bro. You're no Banshee. Davey.
Come in. Wait, there's an actual Banshee, guys.
It's
The name is
alive.
Banshee. I got Teemo Banshee, guys. I finally got my
Teemo Banshee, finally alive.
Where's Banshee, guys? Only the real Banshee. Where is everybody? Where did you say Banshee was?
What happened? You not even know what you have said before.
It's totally.
Oh my god, no name. Why is he walking like that? Let the kid go. You should not be able to move like that.
Banshee.
No, you don't have a name. You don't have a name.
I'm not doing a Banshee.
Just the real Banshee, guys. Find the real Banshee.
Say my
Yeah, never bully the fake Banshee. Wait, where did he go? Where did he go? What did my man say, guys, is that ranch?
Never bully the Banshee.
No, Banshee's still here. Banshee, look. I bought two people off her team. The children in my basement crying for her. My hands are shaking so bad.
I'm gonna go on the call with Daisy.
Over here. Report him. My hands are actually shaking. Guys, report Mr. Pink Guy. Report Mr. Banshee Pink Guy. Hey, can you give me a fist bump? Banshee, can you give me a fist bump? Banshee Guy. On Halloween, there will be a person that would try to take and say his address and his name.
All I'm doing is just showing my friend.
Hey, wait, come here. I'm showing my friend.
I know this is fake, but I'm just showing my friend.
Banshee. Oh no.
Wait.
Because no, if you will, because
Every time I join the server with a PBB.
yeah, because no.
And he's shaking, look! He's moving!
Tibble me, Timber.
And he's supposed to do
Tibble me,
this.
Timber.
He has very long arms and do this. Like this. And then move like an AI if you're...
Oh, also, if you would have gotten fourth,